Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So I have just got my new Google Nest Mesh Wi-Fi AC2200 router. So I'm gonna unbox it and then I'm gonna show you. So this is a very good product and it has got like a lot of capabilities to provide excellent Wi-Fi to every area of your house. So I'm gonna start unboxing it. So I removed the outer plastic layer. So I've got a box here. Probably I need to use my, oh, I was able to. Okay, here comes the good product. Wow. Okay, perfect. And now I'm gonna see what else it has got. So it has got this plug, okay, warranty card, and for installation instruction they already had a QR code that we can read and follow. So I'm gonna do that, and then also if I'll get an opportunity, I'll show you another video how the performance goes. So let's see guys, I'll let you know guys updated as it goes. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.